You're wasting hours fighting with ChatGPT and Claude because nobody taught you the one framework that changes everything. In the next 3 minutes, I'm giving you the exact template pros use to get perfect AI outputs every single time. Let's go. Most people prompt like this: write about marketing or help me with code. Vague, right? The AI has no idea what you actually want, so you get generic garbage. Here's what changes everything. Introducing the Universal Prompt Template. 5 components that work for any task. First, the role. Tell the AI who it is. You are an expert Python developer with 10 years experience. Second, the context. Explain your situation. I'm building a web app for small businesses. Third, the task. Be specific. Create a user authentication system with email verification. Fourth, the format. Define the output. Provide code with inline comments and a step-by-step setup guide. Fifth, constraints. Set boundaries. Keep it under 100 lines, use modern best practices, avoid deprecated methods. That's it. Role, context, task, format, constraints. Here's this in action. Instead of write a marketing email, try this. You are a conversion copywriter specializing in SaaS. I'm launching a project management tool for remote teams. Write a 150-word launch email that highlights our AI-powered scheduling feature. Use a friendly but professional tone. Include a clear call to action and avoid technical jargon. See the difference? You just gave the AI everything it needs to nail it on the first try. Use this template for everything: code, content, analysis, emails, whatever. Role, context, task, format, constraints. 5 components. Perfect outputs. Try it right now with your next prompt. You'll never go back. If this saved you hours of frustration, share it with someone who needs it. See you in the next one.